Once, there was a man who was well known as a criminal and a sinner. One day, he decided to meet Buddha and sought initiation and guidance from him. However, he feared that people might not allow him to enter, so he chose a time when there weren't many people around. Instead of using the main gate, he climbed over a wall from the back. Coincidentally, Buddha was out begging at that time, and one of his disciples caught the man. The man quickly explained his intentions, expressing his desire to change and become a sannyasi. He revealed that he was notorious and feared by many, which led him to enter through the back to avoid rejection. The disciple took the man to Sariputra, an esteemed astrologer and expert in reading past lives. They requested Sariputra to examine the man's past lives, hoping to find some positive karma that motivated his desire for change. After delving into 1,000 past lives, Sariputra discovered that the man had always been a sinner and posed a great danger. Even Sariputra, shaken by his findings, concluded that it was impossible for the man to change, believing that not even Buddha could alter his fate. Sariputra urged the disciples to remove the man from the premises immediately. Feeling hurt and hopeless, the man thought that his chances for transformation and a new life were slim. Overwhelmed by despair, he contemplated suicide near the main gate, repeatedly banging his head against the stone wall. At that very moment, Buddha returned from his alms round and noticed the man's self-destructive actions. Buddha intervened, stopping the man and bringing him inside. In the following days, the man was initiated and became one of Buddha's disciples. This turn of events puzzled everyone, particularly Sariputra, who approached Buddha and questioned how a man with a history of thousands of miserable lives and sins could achieve initiation within such a short time. Sariputra also questioned the significance of examining past lives if such rapid transformation was possible. Buddha responded, "You delved into his past, but you failed to consider his future." The decision to change oneself is the most crucial. When a person genuinely decides to change, transformation becomes possible. Despite enduring 1,000 lives of suffering, this man's unwavering determination to change was immeasurable. Thus, within a few days, he was able to receive initiation. In our own lives, we often judge others based on their past, forgetting that the past is behind us and the future is yet to come. The present moment is all we have. If someone truly regrets their past actions and desires to change, they deserve an opportunity in the present to shape a different future. Subscribe now for life-changing content. Join us on this incredible journey of growth, inspiration, and fulfillment. Unlock your potential and embrace a life worth living. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this amazing adventure together.